Welcome to Fill the Roof to the Roof. The objective, the goal of the Social Ease open source dance program. No experience required. The floor space, you're going to be stunned how easy that's going to be for it to find you. Sound technology. I mean, a lot of the stuff you can get started today. All right, there's already videos out there to show you some tips, some tricks, some techniques. Techniques are important because if you ever want to certify, you're going to need the technique. And the ultimate goal is start your own library. You want to get started on building your own social syllabus. Why, you may ask? And why? This is where businesses will start perking up. It's going to follow a schedule not to teach dancing, but to build dancing, which means you need presenters, you need teamwork, you need some confidence, you need some camaraderie. So everything that they look for in a team building exercise weekend is here. Imagine that. And you're going to learn how to dance and meet new friends at the same time. Now, before you panic,